Alright guys, I know it's been a while since I post, but I just came back from a birthday party. But I'm gonna be playing Animal Company. And what signal is that? If you like, y'all can see my loot. Wait. I know I have an umbrella. Let's top of the tree.
I'll give you one. Here, bro. I got you. Grab it. Hey, I got a tiny stick. Look how tiny my stick is.
Okay.
Accurate. It's barely even fit in
The
my
first
head.
one has a lot of
I can
weapons.
barely even fit.
God, my grandma got a dodo off a team and I'm a
Two.
blue. What?
Yeah, some stuff.
You.
Three.
Guys,
We have a lot
if
of
you
stuff.
say something to buy, I buy something.
This one's
He wants
empty.
this.
This one, a lot of stuff. Even a revolver. Got Mega Block.
Come here.
We also have mob weapon.
Come here.
Can someone give me someone give me 4 pieces of broccoli? Can I have that on your back?
A lot of hook shots. A lot of stuff.
I said
And this.
I
And
said
then
I
I had
want
umbrella
4.
and a hook shot.
Stinky.
Technically, if y'all want to get like a lot of stuff, y'all can pretend that you're a noob,
Where's it at?
or y'all can just become a
sir.
collector. I do both of them. So
Hey, sir.
that's all I have.
No one can trade goods. I bet no one can trade goods. We sell stuff.
Yeah, I'm reporting.
No, don't go there. Don't go there. I'm warning you. Do not. There's TNT. Do not go in there. No. Do not go. There's so many TNT. Do not go, please. Do not go.
Send me to Discord.
Okay, I won't.
No.
Right on. Whoa. Yo.
I don't know. I've been in there. I've been there like. Oh yeah, if y'all didn't know, there's a secret base. Let me see if this. I don't have one. I don't think there's a one.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Bro, how much is that? I'd be good. Green. Bad. Who wants me to?
Who wants me to do this stuff?
Someone got a really big bag. Get some. There's some really good stuff in here. I'm not even joking. Yo, I've been
I can do that.
I don't know what's this. Tell me in the comments what is this.
Can I have one?
Maybe I can find some loot up here, or maybe I gotta change some lobbies. But in this video, I forgot to tell y'all what in this video. I'm just showing y'all like what do I do in Animal Company. Oh my. What is that green thing?
Fire.
nothing. Can I? Look at someone also gave me this.
Ow.
Yo, you should sell those. If you sell those, you get 10 mil. Like, you gotta sell those. Those are so rare.
Yeah.
Hey guys, I put the cracker in here. Can I have one of your blue cute thingies?
Yeah, I got you. Blue cute.
Okay. You gotta be.
Yeah,
Okay, here.
the blue cute thingy you took out. I want to see it.
Okay, hold it for me. Hold it for me. You hold it for me.
Hey, I kind of want it, so I want to
I said hold it for me. I said hold it
thingy
before me. I said
and
hold it
this
for me.
thingy.
Give it back to him.
Got a mini
Give me dynamite.
flashlight. No, buy one. And some big ones.
Yeah, go sell it.
I can't. It's stuck on my hand. It's stuck. Try getting it out of my hand. Try getting it out of my hand. Yeah, I'm stuck like this.
Bro, press A, press A, press
Me,
A.
I like it. I'm new.
I love that actually.
Yo,
Buy me a grappler and I'm about to do a giveaway. Buy me a grappler and I'm about to do a giveaway. Buy me a grappler.
Oh man, I don't have those unlocked. They're too far. I can't unlock them.
I'm a Ludi. I'm a god. I hate my life.
Can you? Can you though? Please?
Yo.
I want to do this.
Alright, here's how it's gonna work. I'm gonna go up there. Here's how it's gonna work. I'm gonna go up there, drop out all the items, and then I'm gonna drop the bag. I'm gonna drop the bag last.
I don't like it.
Hey, whoever wants to go to the office, raise your hand. Whoever wants to go to the office and make cold. Whoever wants to go to the office, come here. But the only ones that have a blue backpack, come here. Guys,
Okay.
guys,
Hey, I'm about to do a giveaway. I'm about to do it.
whoever has a blue backpack, come here.
You just got something invisible.
Does anybody have? Who lost their grappler? Who lost
It was me.
This is your grappler guy. This is your grappler.
Okay, I'm about to do a giveaway right now.
You didn't have any stuff.
Yes, I do. Trust.
Someone do a giveaway.
Oh my gosh.
Please dynamite. Please dynamite.
Oh man, I wanted that.
Scan. Nope.
Oh man, I got.
You want to help me make a nuclear bomb?
Hey guy, I got nothing.
Here.
Is that cool? I got nothing.
Here, take this.
What is that?
They're making a peanut butter.
Oh man, he stole it.
Okay, I know you're not new because you have the blue bag unlocked.
Oh no, someone gave me this. I don't know what to do with it though. What?
Yo, what the?
Someone gave me
Who
it.
wants
I'm
another
recording,
giveaway?
chill.
Who wants another
Me,
giveaway?
I want
alright,
to get
guys, we're
something
gonna,
this time.
I've been frozen for a lot, but we're gonna switch.
Oh wait, who wants this bag? Who wants this?
Servers. I didn't find anything. I was quiet.
I have a VPN. I'm the best.
Everybody join the code 069.
069. I want everybody to say. I want everybody to trade. Chicken jockey.
Hang on.
Everybody say it. Everybody trade for my backpack. Everybody say it. Everybody say it. Chicken jockey. Say it. Chicken jockey. Trade for my backpack. Does anyone have
Anyone trade? Trade anyone? Anyone trade? Trade anyone?
Ooh.
Trade anyone?
Hey, show me. I'll give you something. Show me.
You're not getting that.
Always.
What'd you get?
Everyone that. Oh,
Timmy?
wait, the chicken jockey.
Chicken crap.
Yo, you want to trade?
I'll trade you for this.
I got 3 blocks.
Chicken jockey.
Ooh, that might be pretty good.
I literally had that dress thing.
Who's that? Ah, nothing.
Black. Why do I go for horror? Is it over here? I'm assuming. Please put me in a lobby with people. What's good? Is this where I need to go?
To go where? To get double stuff? Yeah.
To get what?
To double your stuff, that's where you need to go.
Yeah, that's cap, bro. I know you are.
This, that has all of the... Yeah, I'll listen to the song. It has a ogre, a big chicken, and it has a lantern fish. And they're pretty hard.
Join the code. What code is it?
No tutorial.
Guys, what's the code? Everybody, I did it.
Anybody wanna duplicate something? I have a VPN. Wait, do you have first stuff so we could duplicate?
No, not red stuff, but I want to go down into.
Guys, I'm the right color I should be.
Hey, green.
Black, you're copying me.
Alright.
Black, you're copying me.
Guys,
Pickaxe. My pickaxe.
Why you guys are such copycats? You guys are copycats. Oh my god, trade for a suitcase. Doing copycats. What the heck?
I want to trade a suitcase for a suitcase.
I want to trade a suitcase for a suitcase.
That looks like in the middle.
I want to trade a Galaxy suitcase for a Galaxy suitcase.
Alright, bet. Come on. Add me and join me.
chicken jockey.
Let's go, Ben.
Hey,
I
swear.
Oh, whatever.
Who wants me to do?
What's in the shotgun? What do you have to offer?
I'm at a million. Why the frick is this backpack
Guys,
so
if
big?
you notice
Yo, can I do
that I walk in circles, like put my arms in circles.
It's my PvP, I forgot.
What color? I can do big. I don't want this. I have a VPN. I want it. Who wants this? I can do big.
Okay.